This saw is designed to cut from the right side of the wall to the left. Cutting like this, right? That's how it's designed, okay? However, to start your cut, you've got to start from the bottom and cut up. You got to turn the saw upside down. Start your cut on the wall here. Now once you've got your wall cut, once you've got started, now you're cutting from right to left, top to bottom. Nice and easy. I always let the saw do the cutting. You don't have to go wide open or it's gonna shake you to death. I just do about half throttle. Around the outlet box there. Nice and easy. These are 9.5 foot tall walls. I can cut, no problem. I can probably cut 10-foot walls without using the scaffolding. Saws are super lightweight. The batteries ones are a little heavier. Well, we've got a corded model that's like 7 pounds. So compared to the industry, it's about the lightest saw on the market. And as you can see looking around the job site, you know, you guys are cutting these, using these all day long. So the last thing you want is a 12-pound unit when you're cutting 10-foot tall walls or if you're cutting a ceiling overhead. The lightest one is the corded one. The battery one's very handy, it just adds a little extra weight. To keep it against the studs, you're going to tilt it just a little bit, right? I'm going to over-exaggerate so you can see it. You're going to tilt it just a tiny bit so that it wants to stay against the stud. It's going to cut and stay against the stud. What you want to avoid is bowing the blade a lot because you're going to cut a curve into the foam. That's what's nice about this offset. A benefit of our saw is that it's offset, so I can put this saw flat up against the studs and trim without bowing the blade. There's cheaper options that come right out the middle, and you've got to bow that blade to meet the studs. Then you end up cutting a curve out of your spray foam when you're trying to trim it. You can see here where I've trimmed this foam, it's straight across, stud to stud. We don't have a big dip. We're not cutting out extra foam. That's it.
That took all of about 3 minutes flat.
Yeah, I mean, it's quick. Yep. Then we're gonna do our cleanup process next.
And what is this guy? This is just a random?
Yep, this is just a normal Husky scraper, like a paint scraper. We like to add these little handles on them. Easier to reach a taller wall, and just gives you a little more, if you're scraping closed cell foam, it's really hard foam, so it's harder to scrape, so now you can get 2 hands on it. Just hop down, move it, lock your wheels, hop back up. Now that we've got the walls cut and scraped, we're gonna do a quick broom, just to bunch the big chunks together, and we're gonna bag those. As you can see, doing this job is very little dust. I got a little dust on me. Of course, it's always best if you wear a dust mask. Definitely safety glasses. But a mask, as long as your sprayer is out of the area, you're in a ventilated area and your sprayer is gone, you're not breathing that overspray. It's very, very minimal dust. So we're gonna grab a push broom. We're just gonna do a quick broom. We're not worried about the little pieces yet. Now we're gonna take a 55-gallon contractor grade garbage bag. All a one-man operation. You don't need 2 guys to trim or scrape or anything. I'm gonna open up our bag, put my heels on the corners of this bag, stuff it full. You can walk it forward. Smash it. We'll add a little more. Sit on it if you like. Grab your duct tape, tape that thing on. There you go. Give me on the back, please. Next, we're gonna grab our blower. We're gonna blow the room clean so it looks like it's been shot back clean when we're done. Blow it onto a small pile, scoop it up with a shovel. On this job, we covered the whole floor because we're gonna end up spraying the whole roof deck. But when you're all done, pick up your plastic, come back through the job with your Milwaukee blower, and blow the whole job clean, and it'll look like you shot back the whole place. And there you go. It's clean. You don't have to have a shop vac or a big vac. You don't have to deal with grinders that shred your spray foam and make it staticky and cover you on spray foam. Get you a nice blower, and you'll leave the job site looking cleaner than you found it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you have any questions, I'm always available. Just reach out.